If you want to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, but you don't remember the password and now you cannot really unlock your watch, what you can do is you can go to the recovery mode on your Galaxy Watch 9 and use the factory reset option over there. So in order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to force restart our watch. So we're going to use these two buttons that we have here. You want to press and hold them at the same time. So let's press and hold them. And keep holding them until the screen turns off. So just patiently wait. There we go. And once that happens, you can release both buttons. And now we have to patiently wait until the rebooting text appears on this screen. It might actually take some time before that happens, but sooner or later you should see the rebooting text. And once you see the rebooting text, you will have to repeatedly press the home button. You'll have to press it several times until it disappears. So let's patiently wait for that text. There we go, and now we're gonna keep pressing the home button, and once the rebooting text disappears, you can stop doing that, and then you will see this menu over here, this reboot mode. In here, you want to press the home button once to switch to the second option, which is going to be the recovery boot, and then you want to press and hold the home button. There we go. And then the watch is going to restart, and we should be in the recovery mode after that. There we go. Now in here, you want to press the back button, so the lower button here, once to switch to the wipe data / factory reset. You can of course keep pressing in case you missed it to make sure that you have wipe data / factory reset option selected, and then use the home button again. You just want to press it to confirm the selected option. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.